how to withdraw money from Cash App without a card. So here are gonna be your two options. The first one is going to be clicking on your profile icon in the top right and then going into linked banks. Here you will need to select link new debit card, and you might also be given the option to connect a bank account. So you will need to either connect a debit card, credit card, or your bank account here from this screen. Now, even if you don't have a Cash App card, you can withdraw your money by clicking on the bank icon at the bottom. Then you will need to go here and we are just going to click on withdraw. It's going to ask you for the amount of money which you want to withdraw to your account. You will type it, and as long as you have linked a debit, credit card, or your bank account directly here to Cash App, then you can transfer your funds from the app to your bank account, debit card, without the need for a Cash App card. I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.